Well, we've got a wee bonus side quest here today. Adam has got a nail in his tyre, so he's going to see about fishing it out, and we're going to try one of these famous AliExpress tyre screws. So that's that, right. We'll get the tyres nail. Right, so I don't know if that's too big or not, but I think that's too big. Right, just go. Well, we've gone for a slightly smaller one. You screwed it right in. Right. Now you need to pump it up. See if it works. Well, there is the proof of the pudding. That wheel's been absolutely fine for several days now, so the screw puncture repair worked perfectly. Didn't for my Kia Ceed because it was too big a hole, but for Adam's small penetration with a nail or whatever it was, they worked fine. So this has been probably about 5 days or 6 days now. So, well worth a shot from AliExpress or eBay, wherever you want to source them. And so far so good.